This is the lobby lounge at the Ritz-Carlton Kuala Lumpur. I'm coming over here to have the traditional English afternoon tea with my friend right over here. In this video, I'm going to share with you that what I'm going to have. Look at the china. This very beautiful setup over here. I've ordered the tea. It's called whiskey blend tea. Irish whiskey tea. There's no alcohol inside, and then strongly recommended by the staff. Oh my god, I can smell it even with the mask on. Very great aroma. And then all the tea will be heated up like this, so you make sure you have a lot of fresh and warm tea. Make sure you brew it slightly longer, the more flavor comes out nicely. Let's give the Irish whiskey tea a try. It really smells like Bailey. Oh, smooth. If you are craving for alcohol but you're going to try, you should order this one. This is the afternoon tea. Okay.
Combination, cucumber dill, salmon paprika, egg sandwich, then quiche, pie and squash egg. Okay, we'll go.
Looks really good. It's beautiful. And the scone.
Plain scone and praising scone is there.
Okay, and then there's a strawberry jam, right?
Yes, clotted cream and strawberry jam is
Lovely. Thank
Enjoy
you
your
very
tea.
much. I am going to give this one a try. Smell like curry. Yeah. Slightly sweet, quite flavorful. A lot of things inside linger around your mouth, like a little bit like Indian achar or pickled. Very unique to me. And I taste the turmeric now. We had a very good afternoon tea. I will say that the Irish whiskey blend is very unique, very creamy. I love the savory sandwiches, very amazing. So the one in the turmeric is a special recipe from Ritz-Carlton London. So if you have a chance to come over here, you must try the sandwich. It's so good. Love the pastry. I love the sweet. The scone is I'm not a scone person, but the clotted cream is very good. So if you happen to come over here, I think you can sit here for more than 2 hours to slowly enjoy the pastry, the sandwich, and then drink the tea. You'll love it. With that, I hope you like this video, and bye bye.